Hello, fellow travelers, welcome to Berlin, which is 9 times the size of Paris, and bursting with history, art, and energy. It is a place of constant reinvention, shattered, rebuilt, divided, and reunified. A new club opens in Berlin every week. The city is a global party capital and its nightlife never sleeps, literally. From world-class museums to edgy street art and legendary nightlife, Berlin is a city of contrast. Here you can stand where the Berlin Wall once split a nation, then stroll to a vibrant market alive with multicultural life. Berlin embraces its scars, wearing them as badges of honor and creativity. On average, Berlin has 180 museums, and we have only about 106 rainy days in a year. That means you're more likely to get lost in art than in the rain. Berlin welcomes everyone. The city is remarkably green with parks like the Tiergarten. Berlin has more bridges than Venice. Yes, Berlin has over 1,700 bridges while Venice has around 400. It's also built around more canals than you'd expect. Getting around is easy with the efficient U-Bahn and S-Bahn, making it simple to explore each unique village within the city. Before we begin this exciting journey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let's dive in. To understand Berlin, you have to face its dramatic past. The city openly confronts its history, from World War II memorials to Stolperstein that honor Holocaust victims. After the war, Berlin became the epicenter of the Cold War, divided by the Berlin Wall in 1961. West Berlin was an island of democracy, while the East was under communist rule. Places like Checkpoint Charlie still echo with the tension of that era. The fall of the wall in 1989 transformed Berlin from a symbol of division to one of unity and hope. This unleashed a wave of optimism and creativity that still shapes the city today. Museums like the Typography of Terror and the German History Museum help visitors understand Berlin's complex past. Engaging with this history deepens your appreciation for the peace and unity Berlin now represents. Berlin teaches us how to learn from the past and move forward. Berlin's landmarks are powerful symbols of its journey. The Brandenburg Gate, once trapped by the wall, now stands for unity and freedom. The Reichstag, home to the German parliament, features a glass dome symbolizing government transparency. Don't miss the panoramic city views. The East Side Gallery, a stretch of the Berlin Wall covered in murals, transforms a symbol of oppression into a celebration of hope and creativity. Each site connects you to Berlin's past, present, and future. These aren't just photo ops, they're the soul of the city. From neoclassical grandeur to modern innovation and rebellious art, Berlin's landmarks tell a story of resilience. Visiting them lets you piece together the city's fascinating puzzle. Berlin has truly risen from the ashes to become a beacon of hope. Berlin is a global magnet for artists, musicians, and free spirits. Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, houses treasures like the Pergamon Museum and the bust of Nefertiti. But art spills onto the streets. Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain are alive with murals and graffiti. Berlin's nightlife is legendary, from underground techno clubs like Berghain to cozy pubs and beer gardens. The city's music scene is just as diverse, with everything from classical orchestras to indie rock and hip-hop. Music festivals fill parks and public spaces year-round, adding to Berlin's dynamic energy. Beyond clubs and museums, creativity thrives in cinemas, bookshops, and theaters. Berlin values self-expression and reinvention, fueling its status as a cultural powerhouse. Here, new ideas are born and boundaries are broken. Immerse yourself. Berlin is a living work of art. Modern Berlin buzzes with innovation, diversity, and a cosmopolitan spirit. The city's multicultural vibe is reflected in its food. Try the iconic currywurst or a doner kebab, both Berlin staples. Berliners love their green spaces, from the sprawling Tiergarten to the repurposed runways of Tempelhof Park. Relax in a cafe with coffee and cake, soaking up the laid-back local lifestyle. The best way to experience Berlin is to wander. Explore Prenzlauer Berg's chic streets or Kreuzberg's alternative edge. Visit local markets, browse independent shops, and let curiosity guide you. Berlin rewards those who look deeper, blending history with the energy of the future. It's a city where the past and present pulse side by side. Come see for yourself. Berlin is ready to share its stories. Keep on traveling. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Creating such videos takes a lot of time and research. See you in the next video like this one. Yeah, click it and know who is better, Ronaldo or Messi.